video, we'll be making this Realisation par inspired dress. I'll be using Pattern Lab's skirt and bodice blocks, which will be linked down below. Draw a line from bust point perpendicular to center front, mark 1 inch above that line, then mark 3.5 inches up the armhole and connect to the 1 inch mark. Draw a curved slash line from underarm to the line. Cut off the top, cut out the waist dart, and cut along the line. Close the waist dart. Cut along the slash line. Draw a 4-inch wide rectangle, tape the bodice with center front at the edge of the paper and the top of the underarm at the rectangle. Fold along the top of the neckline and cut out the bodice. Cut off the top edge of the fold over facing. Trace the bodice and add 1/2 inch seam allowance all around the top, side, and bottom. Trace the front up to the beginning of the dart and the bottom, then rotate out the dart and trace around the rest of the skirt. Shorten the skirt to 17 inches long at center front and the side. Smooth out the bottom. Cut out the skirt. Cut up the slash lines. Tape center front to a straight line and spread the slashes by 1.5 inches. Add 1/2 inch seam allowance around the bottom, side, and top. Trace the back bodice side up to dart, rotate out the dart and trace up center back. Draw a line from the underarm perpendicular to center back. Add 1/2 inch seam allowance around the bottom, side, and top. Repeat the same steps as the front skirt. I recorded the beginning to clarify how to rotate out both darts. Add 4 inches on top of the back fold and cut to match the side back for fold over facing. Sew the straps folded lengthwise right sides together at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. With the back skirt right side facing out, pin the front skirt to the back along the right hand side. Fold the facing right sides to the bodice and pin along the armholes. Sew along the armhole at 1/2 inch seam allowance. Sew along the skirt side seam at 1/2 inch seam allowance. Stay stitch the back facing right sides to the back bodice or serge along the side to secure it. Pin the back bodice to the front bodice right sides together only along the left hand side. Sew along the sides at 1/2 inch seam allowance. Pin the bodice to the skirt waist right sides together. Sew along the waist at 1/2 inch seam allowance. I added a zipper to the open side and I added adjustable straps. I'll add links to tutorials for both of those in the description. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. See you in the next video.